Hi guys, how you doing? My name is Rich Guzman and welcome to Ace of Rich Freedom by Design. In today's video, I want to share with you how to generate leads with the Super Affiliate Network. Okay, so without further ado guys, I'm in the actual login screen right now, and this is where you log in into the back office. Now we're going to log in, and then once we get in the back office on the inside, I want you to hover over to the actual My Products tab, which is right here. Okay, so we're going to go all the way down. We're going to choose Traffic Bootcamp. Okay, and here you have different places to learn, different types of traffic strategies, different ways to generate leads. You have solo ads, you have pay-per-view marketing, you have YouTube ads, and you have Facebook ads. Okay, so now here's the thing, guys. I really want to be real clear about this. If you're looking at this and you're brand new, and you're looking at this video and you're looking to get started, with us with the Super Affiliate Network, understand that you need to learn how to generate leads in your business. Okay, leads are the lifeblood of any business. If you don't have leads, you're dead in the water. So what we're going to do is we're going to walk over these different steps here and different strategies, so that way you can learn exactly how to generate the leads within your business. Okay, so we have solo ads, pay-per-view marketing, YouTube ads, and Facebook. So what would I do if I'm brand new and I'm getting started with the Super Affiliate Network, and I'm just diving in deep here? What would I do? Well, the first thing I would do is I would choose solo ads. I would click on that tab right there, and I would go through these modules. Okay, I would start going one by one, and I would start learning how to generate leads to solo ads. Module 1, the components of profitable solo ads. Module 2, vendor selection process. Part 1, asking the right questions when you're getting together with vendors. Vendor selection process. Part 2, framing the purchase. Very important. Module 4, effective swipe copy. Module 5, capture pages that convert. Module 6, tracking to know where your best results are coming from. Okay, so this is what I would start with. If I'm brand new and I never generated leads, or I've been trying to generate leads online for a while but I'm not getting the results, that's where I would start out. However, if you have a little experience and you want to learn more about generating leads from different strategies, you can learn pay-per-view marketing, you can learn YouTube ads, and Facebook ads. Now, I'll give you my opinion, what I like. I do solo ads, but I also like YouTube ads and also Facebook ads. Okay, but don't feel like you have to do everything at once. Just focus on one thing at a time and master it. That is the key to success, guys, is focusing on one thing and then mastering it. Okay, so once you do that, guys, you're going to go through some different training. Let's say you do YouTube ads and you have a little more experience. Just go through the modules right here. There's 5 modules, and you'll learn exactly how to get that up and running and get it going. All right, very, very simple, guys. That's what I love about this system. It's very simple to get started, know exactly what to do. You have the community, you have the communication, you have people actually helping you, giving you a helping hand. We are a new breed of internet marketers. We help people grow their business. There's no competition here. It's all about, like, what can I do for you? Okay, because it's all about serving you. That's what it's all about. So guys, with that being said, my name is Rich Guzman. I want to thank you so much for stopping by this video. Also, if you've been on the fence and you've been thinking about joining the Super Affiliate Network, I left you a link below this video for you to get started. Okay, me and Anastasia, we're the top income earners in this company, and we help people grow their business. We give them a plan in place, what to do, so they know exactly what they need to do from step A to step Z. Okay, so guys, once again, take care. I'll see you on the inside. Don't forget, click on that link below this video, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye now.